Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you have a Microsoft 365 plan that includes Copilot. This matters because features are gated by license. Once confirmed, enable Copilot in the Admin Center and assign it to your account so OneDrive shows the feature. Next, sign in to OneDrive on the web. This is where Copilot lives for file tasks. Make sure you use the licensed account and look for the Copilot icon in the left pane before moving to file-level commands. Once Copilot is open, interact with it like a coworker. Select a file or highlight text and type a clear prompt. For example, ask, "Summarize this doc for a 2-minute brief," and Copilot will parse headings and content to produce a concise summary. Make sure to set scope correctly, folder versus single file, because that changes results. If you need edits, request revisions, and specify tone or length, Copilot iterates, so use follow-up prompts to refine output. When you're done, export Copilot results to Word or save a new file in OneDrive so changes are tracked. You should verify sharing permissions and set expiration or edit rights before distributing generated content. If Copilot stalls or returns errors, first re-authenticate your account and refresh the OneDrive page. Next, clear your browser cache and try again. If problems persist, confirm the admin rollout and license assignment, because most failures stem from permission or license mismatches rather than file content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.